Hey everybody, I just got done with the dock a few days ago. It's been out here drying in the sun. The wood was real wet. It's pressure treated wood. And as I was cutting those holes in the bottom with my torch to mount the swimming platform, I liked the way the burnt grain looked, where you burn the wood. So that's what I'm going to treat the dock with. This pressure treated wood isn't very good anymore, so maybe scorching it will add a few years to it. I don't know, because I'm not going to scorch it deep. I'm not going to really burn it. That really preserves the wood. I'm just going to surface burn it. And I just thought I would fill you in as I go. The wind is not in my favor, as usual. What do you think? All right, so the dock's burnt, and I went back and swept it real good, and I mopped it. I haven't never seen anybody do that, but if you got down there real close and looked, it was smutty, so I mopped it real good, not with a real wet mop, just a damp mop, and it got a bunch of black water out. I'll put a picture in the video. So I feel like it's ready, it's dry. This was recommended. I got this at Lowe's. It's recommended to really seal it, and I think it's gonna make it pop. And I'm gonna spray it on there, and I think I will be done with the top. Later on, I'm gonna put angle iron all the way around it, 2.5 by 3/16 angle iron. And I'm better start at the other side. I'm gonna put angle iron, wrap the corners with angle iron to really protect the ends of the wood, and it'll give me a place to weld attachments for tiki torches. I got some cool ideas for some stainless steel propane tiki torches. And that's where we're at. So if you want to, I really need to start at that end. I could do this square. We'll do this square. And I think Stacey's gonna have to go behind me and brush it in, so that's what it recommended. It says to immediately back brush it, so I clean this broom really good. It's sucking it up like crazy. Man, that makes it pop. So this side has not been treated, and this side's been treated. It really brings it out. I guess you just put it on there until it quits soaking in. All right, guys, that is it. Clear coat's on it. It turned out really nice. Got some wild looking features now. And I'm digging it. It really turned out good. That's it, guys, for the dock video. Have an awesome, awesome day. I'll start back on the news tomorrow. Everything that rolls out of the Thunderdome, we will be talking about again. This is just a break so I could show you the project that I've been doing lately. Later.